Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your AirPods, for some reason, are just not charging up properly. Now, this can happen for several different reasons. There's never just one reason to fix this, but I'll explain to you basically the main way. In my opinion, there's two different ways to look at it. One, your AirPods case not charging, and your actual AirPods not charging. So let's take a look at the latter, or the first one, which is if the AirPods case isn't charging. You want to make your way over to the bottom of your AirPods case, and this is where the main culprit usually is. Now I had to kind of come closer to the camera, but you want to make sure that your AirPods case themselves are fully functional. You didn't get them water damaged or anything. But on top of that, you want to make sure that your specific AirPods, little charging hole is actually not full of debris, not full of dirt, not full of earwax or anything like that. And by doing that, making sure you want to go ahead and grab a toothpick or something similar to that caliber, and you want to essentially gently scrape the inside of your AirPods case. Now this can, like I mentioned, hold a lot of different gunk and dirt and all that stuff. So you want to gently pretty much pry out any of that little cotton or anything that's stuck in there. There's a lot of different things that can happen here. So you want to go ahead and scrape out as much as you can from this specific port. And then what you want to do is you want to grab the charging port again and you want to plug it in. This is a USB-C, but you want to plug it in and see if that works. Most of the time, that will probably end up fixing the issue because you have your AirPods in the case themselves, but you also probably have them in your pants pocket, and that can cause a lot of issues in and of itself. So that's pretty much the main thing you can do to actually go ahead and fix your AirPods if the case isn't charging. Now, let's say the actual AirPods themselves are not charging, then that's a whole different story. What you want to do is you want to take your AirPods just like this. You want to make sure that the bottom portion, which is where they charge from, you want to make sure there's not a lot of dirt and a lot of gunk that's kind of covered over this specific area. If you have, this little section of your AirPods, fully, covered up with dirt and stuff, it's not going to charge up your AirPods properly. So that's the first thing you want to do. At the same time, you want to go ahead and look at the inside of your AirPods case. So right in here, you can see that you have a little hole right here, and at the bottom of that is where your AirPods technically charge from. So what you want to do is you want to grab a cotton swab, grab something, and you want to clean out the inside of this hole. That is essentially the main thing you can do to fix this. And I'm sure at this point you want to do it to both if you're already here. You want to check the back side of this and you want to check the inside of this. Clean out the inside, pry out any dirt or anything like that. And you want to put your AirPods back in the case right here. And you want to go ahead and plug your, charging case back in, and you want to see if your AirPods are charging. Typically, if you have an AirPod that has a light on the outside, you want to check there. If you have the light on the inside, you want to go ahead and check there. But I guarantee you at this point, you should be good to go, and your AirPods will probably end up working at this point. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.